Hi, Yuko here. Today's topic is tofu. Which one to choose? What's for? How to use? Everybody knows tofu is a healthy food, but many people wonder which one to choose. Actually, at the local grocery store, I was asked by other customers about tofu so many times. Okay, let's start.
Rice, tofu, and pickled plum are essential items of Japanese food. Tofu is made from soybean milk. It is healthy food. In the United States, tofu is very popular among healthy dieters, vegetarians, and gluten-free dieters, as it is a high-protein, low-cholesterol, and low-calorie. Tofu is called bean curd in English, but at the grocery stores, it is sold with tofu written on the package. There are many kinds of tofu products, such as soft, silken, medium firm, cotton, firm, extra firm, deep fried, grilled, freeze-dried, koi tofu, tofu skin, bean curd skin, 5-spice firm, smoked. When you go to the store, you may wonder which one to choose. Soft tofu is creamy and has a lot of water. You can put it in a soup, but if you stir too much, it will lose its shape. It can be used as an ingredient in bread, smoothies, and sweets such as tiramisu, pudding, cheesecake, and muffins. Since medium firm is harder than soft, it is suitable for adding to a soup with lots of other ingredients, such as vegetables and meats. Not too soft, not too hard. It's very versatile. Firm tofu is suitable for stir-fry, pan fries, and baking because it is hard. You can add firm tofu to your favorite stir-fry dish for additional flavor. You can also make scrambled tofu or a salad topping to replace ricotta cheese or mozzarella cheese. Extra firm is very hard, so it doesn't crumble even when boiled, baked, or fried. It can be used for barbecue grilling to make a tofu steak or as a substitute for French fried potatoes by deep frying. Quick reference. Which tofu is best for your needs? Eat tofu by itself. Choose soft, making bread and sweets. Choose soft. Soup with fewer ingredients. Choose soft. Soup with lots of other veggies and meat. Choose medium or firm. Stir fry, bake, salad toppings. Choose firm. Barbecue, grill, substitutes of potato. Choose extra firm. There are many other types of special tofu. Freeze-dried tofu, koya tofu, is used in Japan as a boiled dish after reconstituting with water. Popular with vegetarians in the United States. They make tofu nuggets by seasoning, battering, and frying. If you are on a keto diet, you can make coarse flour with a food processor and use it as a replacement for breadcrumbs. You can also make vegetarian meatballs with this flour. Thick deep-fried tofu, atsuage, is another Japanese favorite tofu. You can eat it by itself or put it in a soup or a stew. Super firm tofu, often sold in vacuum packs, is quite hard and looks like cheese. Slice this and cook it like grilled cheese, or cut it into pieces and put it in fried rice. Dried pressed tofu, 5-spice firm tofu, is tofu marinated with 5 spices, made in China or Taiwan. You can eat it as it is, but cut it thinly or square and put it in stir-fry or fried rice. There is a faint scent. Not many Japanese use it daily. Smoked tofu has a slightly milder taste than smoked cheese, but it has a creamy and rich flavor. If you have a smoker, you can make it at home.
How was today's story? I cook a vegetable tofu soup for lunch every day. I never get tired of it. I always stock 2 packs of medium or firm tofu. Tofu goes with any kinds of food. Stir-fry, salad, soup, and sweets. If you like Japanese culture, please subscribe my channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.